Are you preparing your child for admission into a regular preschool program? Of course you should. How? That's what you're going to learn about in this video. You will also learn what part of language is expected to be used by your child at this stage. In the end, you will have tips about storybooks and expansion of language which will help the child to be integrated into a regular school. Hi, the theme for this week is stories. So all our work will be woven around the short stories, storybooks. In auditory goals, your child should be able to remember 5 to 7 words. That means the child has auditory memory of 5 to 7 words. The child is using sentences which has 5 to 7 words. That means the child is using longer and longer sentences. Now, if you want your child to use 5 to 7 word sentence, that means you have to speak at least 10 word sentences. So you increase your sentences length for input to the child. Coming to receptive language goals, child should be able to meet your requests. Open-ended requests, such as you tell the child, tell me a story. Now the child has to decide which story to tell, or bring the book and tell a story. And you just observe how many words are being used in a sentence. Then also, suppose you can ask the child even, help me to make a sandwich. Now the child has to give you instructions which will be in longer sentences, and the child will be able to keep up the sequence. In that respect, you will notice that he or she will start using conjunctions. Because the easiest way to prolong a sentence, to make it longer, is to add conjunctions in joining two sentences. Coming to expressive language goals, the child should be, as we said earlier, should be able to use longer sentences, should be able to retell a story, should be able to relate an experience in proper sequence also. Also, in expressive vocabulary or expressive language, we expect the child to use a lot of conjunctions, such as and, then, but, because, later, afterwards, or just after. So these should be part of the expression whenever the child is talking about a story or an experience. The child should be able to use many more verbs. For example, I am, we are, I have, I don't want, I like to, I could not, I can, I will not, let's play, let's. So all these verbs should become a part of vocabulary of the child's language. And you have to note down which part is missing. For that, the easiest way to develop is you use it, model it, give input to the child, give auditory bombardment, make it meaningful, make it interesting, and the child will certainly learn to use that in his or her own language. Coming to speech, this week you have to stimulate, you should be stimulating Z. Z as in zoo, zoom, zip, lizard, puzzle. But also you have to make sure that the child understands that the spellings are different and the sound is different for a word. And sometimes S is also pronounced as Z, articulated as Z. For example, in music, it's music, But when we say it, we don't say music, we say music. Also, the children should understand, especially your child at this stage should understand, that sometimes when we put S for plural, it sounds as Z. For example, boys, girls, even possessives like his. So therefore, the different words can be having different spellings and different sounds. The children have to learn the sounds for that particular word associated with it. Coming to books, no particular book this week. Ask the child what book the child likes. So the child has to select a book. Any book you can take, whichever the child is interested in, tell the story, ask for the story, and work on that. And then the same receptive language goals, expressive language goals, auditory goals, look into that the child is incorporating or not, and you have to fill the gaps. In tips, the child should be prepared to go to a regular school now. So you should be working on school readiness, working on preparing the child for admission into a regular preschool program. And for that, what you need to do is visit different schools. You have to select which school is most suitable for your child. So when you go to different schools, some of the schools give permission to the parents to bring their children and show around. So ask the permission from the principal, take your child to the school and do what we call is talk the walk. Talk the walk means you take the child to different parts of school for a round and then tell about the parts of the school. For example, this is canteen where you will have lunch, where you will have breakfast. This is playground where there are sports and even physical education, PT, training. This is assembly where the children gather together in the morning and say their prayers. This is the first aid room. If you get hurt, there is someone to take care of you. So this is music room. All that when you show the child around, this gives a positive feeling to the child and the child is looking forward to go to that particular school. So that helps. Also, there are many books which can be used for school readiness. I remember one book where there was a monkey watching the children going to school with their bags and was thinking, why don't I go to school? So one day when the children were coming from school, he plucked all the mangoes and threw them down. The children left their bags and started collecting mangoes. He took out one book from a bag and next morning he went to the school following them with the book, sat in the class, opened the book upside down. Children were laughing and the teacher was screaming, and it's so much fun to read that story. So much interesting language is there, and children relate themselves with the particular character. So if you read such stories where there is positivity attached to the school, fun, games, and then the children look forward to go to school. That is the readiness I'm talking about, not in terms of the language and speech and what they should know. Okay? Tell me your opinion. What do you think about taking the children to the school? And if you have any doubts or questions, get back to me. If you want to see any other episodes before this, the link is given below, which will take you to the 40-week session plan. Okay, so see you next week. Thank you.